Just as keyboards have become must-haves for typists and gamers because of their satisfying switches, sturdy designs, and thoughtful layouts, outdoor picnic tables are becoming essential for families, campers, and party hosts who value durability, portability, and style. This guide reviews the best outdoor picnic list. Superdeal 6-feet folding table for indoor-outdoor. Portable heavy-duty fold-in-half plastic dining picnic table. The Superdeal 6-feet folding table is a versatile, heavy-duty option, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from durable plastic with a sturdy steel frame, it easily folds in half for compact storage and portability. The 6-foot length accommodates multiple guests comfortably, making it ideal for picnics, parties, or camping trips. Its waterproof and stain-resistant surface is easy to clean.
List number: Lifetime 80373 Portable Folding Camping RV Picnic Table and Bench Set.
The Lifetime 80373 is a convenient all-in-one set that includes both a picnic table, and 2 benches. Perfect for camping or RV trips, it folds flat and fits easily in your vehicle. The weather-resistant steel frame and UV-protected tabletop ensure durability even under tough outdoor conditions. The benches are comfortable yet sturdy, and the whole set assembles in minutes. Lightweight and portable. List 3. Messiah Picnic Table Cover with Bench Cover. Waterproof, elastic-fitted tablecloth for 6-foot tables. While not a table itself, the Messiah Picnic Table Cover with Bench Cover is an excellent accessory for keeping your picnic table looking clean and stylish. Made from waterproof, durable material, this elastic-fitted cover stays securely in place, protecting your table and benches from spills, dirt, and weather. It fits standard 6-foot tables and benches snugly, while the colorful design adds a cheerful touch to your outdoor setting. A great way to upgrade your picnic experience effortlessly. List number: Best Choice Products Kids 3-in-1 Sand and Water Table. Wood outdoor convertible picnic table with umbrella and trays. The Best Choice Products Kids 3-in-1 table is a creative, child-friendly option perfect for outdoor play and dining. Made of solid wood, it converts from a standard picnic table into a sand and water play station thanks to 2 removable trays. It also comes with a vibrant umbrella for shade, making it ideal for sunny days. Perfectly sized for kids, it's a wonderful way to encourage imaginative play and outdoor fun while providing a functional picnic space.